All right, so in this activity exercise, we're just going to mess around with some if-else statements. And what we're going to do is we are working off of this page where the user will input their score. Once they've input their score, they are going to click this button. And by clicking that button, it's going to print out whether it's a good score, a great score, or an okay score. All right, so we've got these notes in here that I put in the comments. So first thing says, write a function that uses a nested if-else statement that uses the variable golf score. All right, so we know we are going to write a function called, we'll call it score checker or score check. Oops. Okay. Oh, we definitely don't want this, huh? Okay, so we've got our function called score check. Make sure we have both of our things. And we are going to do a variable called golf score. And golf score is going to equal document dot get element by ID. ID, I didn't change it. Instead of month ID, let's make it something that makes a little bit more sense. We'll call it score ID. Right, so element by ID, we're going to put in score ID dot value. Oh, don't forget your other quote. And then here we go. We're going to use some if-else statements to tell them if they have a good score or a bad score or an okay score. All right, so we're going to say if golf score equals, nope, greater than or equals to, right, above 90, we're going to print it to document.get element by ID, and we are going to use message area. This might look familiar. We did this last time, right? Dot inner HTML equals keep trying. All right. Then we're going to say else if golf score is greater than or equal to 80, document.get element by ID message area, dot inner HTML equals nice job. And then we're just going to end with an else, because if it's not greater than 90 and it's not greater than or equal to 80, then it must be under 80. So else, we don't need any condition with that. We are going to output document.get element by ID message area dot inner HTML equals ready to go pro. Oh, I forgot my semicolon up here. Okay, so we have covered all of our conditions, and just so you know, we've got it, so we can see it for later. Let's go ahead and put our comments inside that function so that they serve their purpose. So that if other people are looking at our code, they can see what it is we're doing. Okay? All right, and then the last thing we're going to do is we wrote this function, and that's pretty cool. Remember, we do need to write that into our button. So I'm going to do onClick equals score check and that should work. All right, so we're going to save it. We're going to refresh this page, and I'm going to check. I'm going to input 50. There you go, ready to go pro. 80. Nice job. 700. That would be a terrible golf score. Keep trying. All right, so that is the code that you were looking for.